Namaskar, the Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. Reaffirming the administration's commitment, addressing water scarcity and promoting sustainable development in the region, Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena inspected key water conservation and land development projects at Stoke Village and Chuchot Tongsar. The Lieutenant Governor's visit are part of the plans to construct around 50 reservoirs or water bodies across various villages in Ladakh, along with the restoration of existing water bodies to mitigate water woes in these villages. At Stoke Village, the LG inspected the reservoir cum percolation tank constructed by the Rural Development and Department and the Panchayati Raj institution. He was accorded a warm welcome by the local residents led by the village Nambardar. The 5th edition of the Zanskars Winter Sports and Tourism Festival 2026 commenced with a blend of traditional cultural displays, sporting activities and a renewed focus on tourism promotion in the remote subdivision of the Kargil district. The festival was inaugurated by the Deputy Commissioner and Chief Executive Officer LAHDC Kargil Rakesh Kumar, while the Councillor of the Karsha constituency Stanzin Jigmath attended as the guest of honor. The inaugural ceremony witnessed a traditional reception of the dignitaries by the local artists, accompanied by the folk music performed on the Daman and Surna. The officials were escorted in a ceremonial procession from the tourist reception center to the venue on yaks and horses, reflecting the region's cultural heritage also. Officials said in a surprise enforcement drive across the key commercial pockets of the Kargil district, the administration seized 11 domestic LPG cylinders being used unlawfully for commercial purposes. The inspection conducted on the directions of the additional district magistrate targeted Baru Market, Bhima Thang area and the vicinity of the petrol pump, where several establishments were found violating norms governing the use of subsidized domestic gas. During the inspection, multiple tea stalls, hotels and restaurants were found using domestic LPG cylinders for commercial activities in contravention of the existing regulations. Officials seized a total of 11 cylinders from the violators. Authorities reiterated that domestic LPG cylinders are strictly meant for household use and their diversion for commercial purposes invites action under relevant laws. The drive forms part of ongoing efforts to ensure compliance and curb misuse of subsidized resources. The Agriculture and Allied Students Union of the Ladakh welcomed the transfer of the Krishi Vigyan Kendras to the University of Ladakh, bringing to a close a long-pending administrative issue that had persisted since Ladakh became a UT in 2019. ASUL described the development as the outcome of the sustained efforts by the students, administrators and public representatives, noting that the final transfer of the 4th KVKs was completed on March 24, 2026 and now the process is formalized through a memorandum of understanding signed between the Indian Council of Agriculture Research and the University of Ladakh in Delhi also underlined that while most institutions in the Ladakh are brought under the Union Territory's administrative framework, soon after reorganization, 6 agriculture units under SQUAST Kashmir remained outside its ambit. 2 research stations in Leh and Kargil were transferred in 2024, but 4 KVKs are continued under SKUAST Kashmir until the recent shift. A 2-day national level intellectual property Yatra program is commenced in Leh, bringing together policymakers, industry representatives, entrepreneurs and academia to deliberate on strengthening awareness of intellectual property rights and their role in fostering innovation across the Union Territory of Ladakh. Organized by the PhD Chamber of the Commerce and Industry with support from the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, the program is being held at Hotel Pal over March 26 and 27. More than 150 participants, including students, research scholars, faculty members, startups and micro, small and medium enterprises (MSMEs) are attending these sessions. The District Election Officer and Deputy Commissioner Kargil, Rakesh Kumar, carried out the scheduled quarterly inspection of the electronic voting machines and VVPAT warehouse at Kubarthang in line with the guidelines issued by the Election Commission of India. Opened in the presence of designated officers, representatives of recognized political parties and other concerned officials, the entire exercise is conducted under the strict procedural norms to maintain transparency and accountability. During the inspection, the warehouse seal is open under the video surveillance and a physical verification of all EVMs and VVPAT units stored at the facility. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thanks for watching us. Don't go anywhere. Thank you so much and good afternoon.
The reason I chose SP Smart School is because it prepared me for my boards examination as well as for my competitive examinations. The previous year results have been a testament of this statement. With over 18 positions, 700 distinctions and the UT topper being from our school is our huge pride. The results of the competitive examinations have also been commendable. The students who are not a part of SP Smart School program have no idea what they are missing out on.
Transforming education through life skills and lifestyle learning.
Beyond books, excellence in sports, NCC and co-curricular activities.
At Kingstar, every facility speaks of quality and commitment. From professional cricket grounds to advanced indoor setups, Kingstar provides everything a young sportsperson needs to perform at the highest level. With commerce and humanities, we lay the foundation of careers in finance, business, and the social and governance sector, building leaders in finance and business, shaping leaders in society and governance. Highest positions in boards and competitive. NEET Sure for medical students, GE Sure for non-medical students, and direct programs for commerce and arts.
Turning medical dreams into NEET success. 100 plus SP Smartians on the path to becoming doctors.
Admissions are open for classes 11 and 12 in medical, non-medical, arts and commerce streams. SP Smart School. Visit our campuses to register.